Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your psychic medium Avni Falor, and I am here to give you an important message. While I was meditating, it just screamed out to me. It was as if you are struggling to move out of that zone that you're in right now, and it's not serving you any good. So I felt like there were cats crying and howling, and then there were rays reaching out to you, and different sort of rays, different colorful rays. That means it was telling me as if, some sort of people, some new people are going to reach out to you, and they are going to play a huge role in your future. I'm also seeing that some sort of transformation is going to happen in your life, and some ancestral connect I can sense, because there are cats. Spiritual meaning has to be there. Cats screaming means that they are warning you about something. So let's see through the cards, what are the warnings, what can you do about it. The feeling that you're feeling very heavy and stuck, let's just sort it out and find out what's there. Let's take out like a instant fix for you. I am going to be asking 3 questions mainly. First one would be, what's holding you back, what is the loop that you're in, and how to break it, energy that unfolds when you do. Okay, so let's take out a card for the first question. What's holding you back, or what's keeping you away from all the happiness in the world? Okay, there are 2 cards which I can see. It could be probably that you get a lot of opportunities, but you just feel like you're not worth it. You walk away from those opportunities and you feel that this is not as much as I was demanding them to be. So it could be one of the reasons that you are seeing these cards which are telling me that just because you don't think they are serving you, or they are giving you enough money, you are moving away from those opportunities without knowing that what all things they can give you. Of course you deserve a lot of good things. You deserve all the riches and financial stability. Of course you deserve it. But before that, you need to come out of this. You need to come out of the loop that you're in. Probably that is pulling you back. You are fighting in your own head that these are the pros, these are the cons, but you're not able to get to a certain point where you can make a decision. So now let's break this and resolve all of this by knowing what will break the loop that you're in. What can you really do? I see that you can seek for help or a partner who can, you can rely on your partner first off, and if you don't have a partner, you can rely on your best friend to give you advice. And I'm hearing it should be a person who has been through a lot of these things. So that would be great. That partnership, it is going to give you solution, and it is also going to help you. I'm also feeling that you should take the action, and you should have a goal in your mind and you should run after it, because just being there and thinking about a lot of things and not doing anything is not going to take you anywhere in this life. You have to you have to run for it. You have to learn that what is working out for you and go for it. So stop being negative about your goals and start working for it. Now is the time, because recently I heard this quote which was saying that now is the time that you can achieve a lot of things in your life, because a lot of people are distracted. So this is your time to make and break. Okay, so now we come to the last question. What is the energy that is unfolding? Okay, if you reach that point, definitely you're gonna reach it, because I know that you can do it. You can do it right now as well. Be the master of your brain. Okay, there are cards which are turning upside down, and I feel like you don't have to protect anything. You have to move out of your comfort zone. Right now you're sitting in your comfort zone and being like, okay, I am earning this much and this is enough for my lifestyle, I can be good. If you want the riches in your life, you have to move out of it. You have to nurture it. You have to run after it. You have to carry it all the while. You have to be the mother of your dreams. Are you hearing it? You have to be mother of your dreams, then only you will get all of that you have desired once in life. This card really signifies that, you know, you can have anything in your life and a lot of happiness is coming your way. This is also telling me that a lot of happiness is coming your way. So please run after the happiness and don't just sit and sulk. Okay, this is also telling me that, you know, your hard work will pay off. Right now, you heard me earlier that I said that people are distracted. This is your time. This is your time. This is your kingdom. You know, you have the power. That's all. That's what my psychic were telling me. I hope this really helped you. If it has helped you and it has reached you on the right time, I pray and wish good luck and only blessings for you. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It would be great and it would be really helpful for me to give more such psychic messages. Okay, bye bye.